Want to start using Fireflies AI for meeting transcription and AI-powered notes? Creating an account only takes a few minutes, and you'll be ready to connect your calendar and start recording meetings. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a Fireflies AI account in 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Fireflies AI website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started free button. You can create your account using your Google account, Microsoft account, or by entering your email address, depending on the options available. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. If you're signing up with your email address, check your inbox for a verification email and confirm your account. Once verified, you'll be able to continue with the setup process. Next, enter your name, workspace information if requested, and any other basic details needed to finish setting up your account. You can usually update these details later if needed. To get the most out of Fireflies AI, connect your Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook calendar. This allows Fireflies to automatically detect eligible meetings and helps you manage recordings more easily. Finally, review your settings and complete the setup. Once everything is ready, you'll be taken to your Fireflies AI dashboard where you can manage meetings, transcripts, summaries, and integrations. And that's how to create a Fireflies AI account in 2026. After signing up, you can connect your calendar, customize your settings, and start using AI-powered meeting notes right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.